In front of me is Doogee S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration options. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again to click on Vibration and Haptics, and use the switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can also click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. When you finished, go back, click on this switcher next to Shortcut to prevent leaning to switch off or on this option. Scroll all the way down and click on those three switchers next to Vibrate when dialing, Charging Sounds and Vibration, and last but not least, always show icon when in Vibrate mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!